와.
But I did really good right. That's what I lost. You have to.
Happy New Year.